10 tips and tricks of time management. 1. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals for each day and week. 2. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and deadline. 3. Use a calendar or planner to schedule your time and stay organized. 4. Eliminate distractions, such as social media and email notifications. 5. Use the Pomodoro technique to break up your work into focused, 25-minute intervals. 6. Take regular breaks to recharge and refresh your mind. 7. Delegate tasks to others when possible. 8. Use technology, such as apps and tools, to streamline and automate repetitive tasks. 9. Learn to say no to non-essential commitments and requests. 10. Continuously review and adjust your time management strategies to ensure they are effective. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to see more such videos.